Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.1, Problem 19. This is Section 2.1, Problem 19. It says a math class with 22 students consists of 10 male students and 12 female students. What fraction represents the portion of the class that is A, male, and B, female? Well, since the class has 22 students in it, or 22 parts to it, the denominator of the fraction will be 22. And the numerator of the fraction, or top, for part A will be how many of the students are male. So if we read the question, 10 of the students altogether are male. So the portion of students that are male would be 10 over 22. The class has 22 people, 10 of which are male. Now, what fraction represents the portion of the class that's female? So again, 22 students altogether, so 22 parts to the entire item. So the denominator or bottom of the fraction is 22. Now the numerator will be how many female students in the class. And if we look back at the question, we'll see that there are 12 female students in the class. So the fraction that represents what part of the class is female would be 12 over 22.